Hi guys, and Assalamualaikum if you're a Muslim. So today in this video we're gonna be unboxing this. What I was about to say is in this video we're going to be unboxing my father's box, but he's still coming a long time and we're so excited. So now on with the video. This is the scissors. Be careful. Go. Yep. Okay. Now, if it reaches the end, put the board. And you see this part? You see this edge part? Yeah, cut that part by doing this. First, put one edge of the scissors inside here and put another one here. Done, finished. That's how to unbox it. And I don't think this is actually going to be this is going to be something flammable. So let's open it. This foam keeper is actually very useful. Put it aside. Anyway, this is a Macbook series. Now, here is for charging, and this is pretty heavy. Now, wait, is there any shapes here? Mama. Oh yeah, there is. Now, where is that scissors?
Pelan-pelan ya, Mal.
That,
Meledak.
and then slowly that. Then flip it. Well, flip it. Yeah, flip it. With the air. What? Now we open that up. We don't pull it up. You have to pull this part out like that. Put it like that carefully, and done. This is a MacBook Air. No, this is not a MacBook Pro. If you think it's a MacBook, nanti aku tikalan. Okay. The new MacBook Air. We do that. Put.
Careful.
Then we pull that. We do that. This. That's that. And this is the MacBook Air. I mean Air, not MacBook Pro. Because I know one of my classmates, which is Ahmed T, has one, and whatever.
Say thank you to Ayah.
And thanks, Dad, for this laptop that you bought. And here's the inside. I'll remove that part. And wow.
Okay, say bye.
Bye, and it's still loading.
Say bye. Bye.
Bye.